ask you one question. How many of you wash your own cars versus how many of you send your cars to the car wash? Now, when I was younger, I used to be quite rajin to wash my own cars. And then after that, I grew lazier. And also, I came to the realization that, you see, when you wash your own car, right, when you factor in the time to prep the water, to then you clean up all the pails, the towels, and the actual process of soaping your car and spraying the water over it, all that. And if you are particular, you want to vacuum the interior of your car as well, that will easily take 1-2 hours of your time gone, just like that. Then it just dawned upon me one day that, you know, if I were to just let somebody else do the car washing and pay them money, I am actually paying, you know, to save my own time. So once I came to that realization, I just, you know, I've always sent my cars to outside car washes since. Okay, sometimes I send to cheaper car washes, sometimes I send to the more expensive ones, but I've always left car washing to other people already. But of course, you know, during MCO, car washes all have been closed, and yeah, since that time, right, I actually since MCO until now, I've actually never washed my cars. I think the S-Max was washed by the dealership when I sent it for service. Now I'm in my E39 and this car is just absolutely filthy on the outside. So I'm on my way to send this car for its long overdue wash. Hi guys, so right now I'm at the premises of ProNano Malaysia, where my E39 is getting its first wash since MCO. So here at this place they use this ProNano Plus soap. Okay, this is a new product from Europe with nanotechnology. The unique selling point of this product is that it is able to clean your car using a fraction of the effort that previously needed. So basically, even you can do the cleaning contactless, right? You just dilute this to the right proportion, spray it over your car, fire, then you rinse it with water. That already helps you clean about 70-80% of your car. So typically a car wash job that would previously have taken you 1-2 hours could now be shortened to just what, 30 minutes, 15 minutes. Let's check it out. Okay guys, this is Abang Ned here. Hi. and he will walk us through the things that need to wash in this car.
Alright, okay, you see the rim, all the brake dust you can see, and the grease, right? This you can see. Alright, and the static dirt on the body part. So we see how after this, once kalau kata dah basuh, and you can see the static dirt akan keluar.
Okay.
Lama, depends on the condition of the car.
Ini sejak MCO dah tak cuci dah.
Okay. This must be, memang ada static dirt lah.
Okay. Okay.
Alright, you can see all the rims, the four rim memang kau punya. Alright. Dia punya ni, okay, nanti kita tengok sebab ada grease semua, everything. Okay. And the tricep.
Tricep, ini jarang pak under tree tau.
Ada. That one is what? Oh, okay.
Okay. Okay?
Okay. Nanti kita tengok macam mana.
So, kunci I kasih you
Alright. Okay, Klang.
Okay guys, so this is step number 1. They are spraying an ultra diluted mix of ProNano soap with water. Okay, so the concentration here is about, that's a 140 liter tank. They put about 250 milliliters of the soap inside there. Okay, so now they are foaming the car, they are spraying it with foam. Once again, this is a mix of water and ProNano, but this is like a ultra high compression machine, high pressure machine. All right, that's how it's able to generate the foam. And the mix here is also about 250 milliliters to 70 liters of water. Okay, so the entire car is drenched with foam, and what's happening now is nothing. They are just leaving the foam here for a couple of minutes, just so that the foam can take its time to to act on the dirt and chemically remove it, detach it from the car's body and the wheels. So now they're shooting a high pressure water jet, and look at the difference it's making to my rims. You see, even now, right, this is just midway through the process and there is already a noticeable difference. I'm not sure how well my camera is capturing it, but in my eyes, right, in person, I'm already seeing a major difference, and they are not even halfway done yet. See that? You see that? You see the contrast there? Okay, so they've just done with the high pressure jets. Now they are wiping the car. This step actually would not be necessary if this car has been regularly washed, but as I said before, right, the last time I washed this car was before MCO, so there's a lot of dirt had accumulated throughout the car. So they have just completed the wiping, and here's another round of water washing. Now guys, so right now this is actually the waxing phase. Now you always in your mind you probably imagine waxing where they do this, they take the sponge or the brush or whatever and do this, right? This is no more. Now what they do is they spray this well, basically it's a sort of like with nanotechnology in the mix, all right? So they spray this over the car to give it a more even coverage throughout the body. So this is what they call new technology waxing. So this is the final cleaning phase. They are spraying water again. Okay, so the car is moving to be blow dried by those two cannons up there. Okay, they're blow drying the car. You can see the water bubbles being blown from the surface of the car. See that? This is a final, more thorough blow drying phase where they really bring the blower up close, right, to blow away the water particles of your car. Now, at this stage, they allow you to choose whether to blow dry or to wipe dry. The choice is entirely up to you, because some owners want their cars to be completely dry, so they want their cars to be wiped. But some others, they are particular about, they want to minimize contact with their paintwork to prevent micro scratches, so they will opt for blow drying. Okay, so let's come inside and check this place out. This is the customer area, and I just want to take this time to show you a business opportunity from ProNano. So we know, right, this period after the COVID-19 pandemic, a lot of people have lost their livelihood. Okay, unemployment in Malaysia is expected to soar to an all-time high. So right here, okay, I've just been introduced to an opportunity in which you guys can restart your lives if you are one of those affected by the COVID-19 pandemic. So, but this is assuming you guys have some savings also lah. You guys need some savings. So what you have here, okay, these are various products from ProNano. Okay, you have your car wash concentrate, okay, of various grades. This is for regular cars. Then you have something like this for heavy commercial vehicles. You even have insect clean. Okay, this is to clean off all the bug spatters that you accumulate on the highways. Okay, rim cleaners, engine cleaning, cabin cleaner, or basically a variety of exterior and interior car cleaning products. Okay, so if you take what they call a reseller package for a minimum commitment of just 5,000 ringgit, just one off 5,000 ringgit, you take 5,000 ringgit worth of products. You can also take 10,000, 20,000, up to 20,000, up to you. All right, and you just sell it through whatever channels that you have, your Lazada, your Shopee, your Facebook, okay, any, or even let's say like if you have your own shop that sells car care products, you want to add these into your lineup, there you go. Okay, there is no minimum commitment. You just replenish your stocks as they deplete. No minimum commitment. Now, of course, if let's say like you are not content to just resell stuff, you want to put some blood, sweat, and tears in as well. Don't worry. There is also what they call the entrepreneur package, which is basically you give them money, they help you start your car wash. So depending on the level of commitment you have, depending on what you have, your space, the kind of space that you have, whether it is like an open air parking car wash or whether it is a shop lot of your own, you have various levels of what they call the entrepreneur package, whereby you still give upfront 5K up to 20K. They will give you a mix of cleaning equipment. Okay, the type of cleaning equipment on offer varies according to the package. All right, so it includes vacuum cleaner, water compressor, water jet. Okay, it includes a hose and sprayer. This is to spray the soap. Okay, and even towels. Okay, various towels, and also of course a mix once again of cleaning products. So all that's given to you, and for just a one-off payment of 5, 10, 20K, depending on the tier that you take, and you have the stuff ready to begin to start up your own car wash. Now, then after that, along the way, it's a 1-year contract. So along the way, as your stocks, as your soap, all these things deplete, then you order from them again. According to what I mentioned just now, there's the reseller package. You just order according to the same mix of barang. Then you just top up again and again. There's no minimum commitment. You just top up your barang according to the pace of your business. Now, the one advantage of using ProNano products, in your car wash is that it is the amount of time and labor that you save. You see, like just now, what they do right with my car. There were other guys that joined in, but basically, you are able to turn around a car completely washed using just 1 or 2 workers. Okay, in a 15-minute time frame. What they tell me is that they have done for a full big ass prime mover lorry, right? A job that would typically take many car washes 5 hours, they do it 1 hour with 1 at most 2 people. That's it. Okay, so it's what these products really do for you is that it saves you time, and that means that your throughput, your daily cleaning capacity can be higher than a regular car wash. I mean, assuming you manage to do it in a laku place lah. Now, there is one more final package that they have to offer, is what they call the mobile van package. So basically, that one, there is also your 5, 10, 15, 20K of commitment to products as well as equipment. Now, the mix of equipment is slightly different from the entrepreneur package. Okay, firstly, it includes a generator. Okay, and also you get your usual mix of products. But also on top of all that, for 2,500 ringgit a month, they will provide you with a van. So that van, 2,500 ringgit a month for a van covers maintenance, covers road tax, covers insurance. Does not cover fuel, unfortunately. So covers that, and if let's say like in the event of a breakdown, you get breakdown support plus a 1-for-1 exchange of a new vehicle in case the one that you're having breaks down. So your business continues uninterrupted. Now, with the mobile van service, right? besides doing cars, besides going door-to-door cleaning cars, you also have the capability, the equipment that they provide you, you have the capability to go and even expand to clean carpets, clean buildings. You know, the possibilities are literally endless. And what these guys tell me is that some of the more hardworking entrepreneurs that take up the mobile van package, you can earn as much as 2,000 ringgit a day. I think I want to consider this as my part-time job. Okay, so I think it's a great opportunity, guys. It's something definitely you guys want to check out. I mean, especially now with as we are still recovering from the pandemic, a lot of people out of jobs, losing their income. This is a fantastic opportunity for you guys to restart your life. Okay, so definitely do check it out. All right, contact details I'm providing in the description section. So yeah, hopefully this is something you guys find useful. And now I'm going to check on their handiwork on my car. Okay guys, so the car has just been handed back to me and it looks a world of difference. A complete world of difference. Okay, we look at the rims. Now typically the rims is where the good car washes are exposed from the back. Pretty thorough cleaning job. Okay, they've only been unable to really clean out the really deep edges, but thus far overall from afar satisfactory. Okay, the luster to the paint is returned and the car just looks absolutely splendid. So this is I mean this thus far really looks like a very good cleaning product. Okay, I am suitably impressed. Okay guys, so now back home under the shade, let's just have a second look at the car. Well, the effects is very significant. I can see that, you know, now the car looks almost like what it was when it first came out from the paint shop a few months back. Okay, that depth that was covered by all the layers of dust and dirt over the last few months have returned. Okay, I see that the returning luster in the color. Okay, and also you know, when you touch the bodywork, okay, that smoothness, that silky smoothness to the bodywork is quite evident. So I gotta say, this this ProNano soap really did its job. Okay, really it made a major difference to this car.